Sir, you speak so much about the farmer. Yesterday I saw what you just passing remarks on the issue of the farming community. You are so much concerned about the farming community. I am a farmer, sir.
The reflections made by Dev Godaji about farmers. The issue of farmer has been put by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi at the century stage. In every walk of life, whether affordable housing, whether solar house, whether Jal in her Nal, and technology to farmers. Therefore, our expectations are bound to be high. It is a time when there is convergence to take farmer to a greater height. And when the former Prime Minister S.D. Dev Gowda makes his presence felt whenever there is an occasion, we take it as a blessing. So I have no doubt what is being done at the moment, it will get greater momentum, and all agencies are converging. Our expectations are high, but our accomplishments are also historic. Our achievements are also splendid, and this will go a long way for the